Achieving the perfect poached egg is a culinary skill rooted in scientific principles, primarily water temperature, egg freshness, and timing. To start, bring water to a gentle simmer, maintaining a temperature of around 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 to 88 degrees Celsius. This range is crucial as it allows the egg whites to set gently while the yolk remains creamy and luscious. Avoid boiling water as it can agitate the egg and cause it to break apart, resulting in a less desirable texture and presentation. For an optimal poach, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar per quart of water. The vinegar helps the egg whites coagulate quickly by lowering the water's pH, creating a neater poach with minimal wispy strands. Using the freshest eggs available is essential, as their firmer whites hold their shape better during cooking. Crack your egg into a small bowl or ramekin before sliding it gently into the simmering water. This technique minimizes the risk of introducing shell fragments and allows for precise placement, ensuring a more uniform shape. Swirling the water gently with a spoon before adding the egg can help the whites wrap around the yolk for a tighter presentation. Timing is crucial. Cook the egg for 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, ideal for topping toast or salads. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time by 1 to 2 minutes. Adjust timing slightly for larger or smaller eggs. Once the egg is done, remove it with a slotted spoon and transfer it to a paper towel to absorb excess water. Patting the egg dry prevents sogginess when serving onto your dish. Poach eggs fresh with precision.